Hi guys, how are you? It's your girl Genevieve, and today basically I just want to say thank you to you guys for everything, the likes that you guys have shown in my video and everything else. I just want to say kudos to you guys. And another thing I just want to say is to just introduce myself, because some of y'all don't know me. It is what it is and it does what it does. So I got to introduce myself. Like I said in the beginning, my name is Genevieve. You can call me Rarang, that's my other name. And my surname is Kgwaneng, so I go by the KG. Otherwise, I am a makeup artist, and yes, I am a Motswana. Ke Motswana bagaetsho, ke Motswana. And I'm not from France because my name is Genevieve. Thank you. Well, what can I say? Makeup is life. You gotta look beautiful. We gotta fleek. We gotta okay. So this is why we gotta look good. But otherwise, I'm 20 years old. I school at a film school. Funny enough, but you know, makeup is life, and you know you gotta do what you gotta do. Cause girl, you know the fleek. It don't wait on nobody, you know, it wait on nobody. You guys can fleek all the time. But yeah, I just have to say a few words. I'm not gonna say much in this video because I would love you guys to help me introduce myself. And by doing so, I thought that it would be rightful if you guys actually comment some questions down below. Then I will make another video where I will be posting about those questions and basically answering them. Yes, that's what I will do. So to make things more interesting and more vibey, I have a Facebook page and I have an Insta page. Renevieve Cosmetics is the name of my Facebook page and the name of my Insta page. So you guys can hit me up. And another thing, if you want to hit me up personally, you can hit me up on my Instagram account, which is Rarang Genevieve on Instagram. So you guys can hit me up and then we can talk, you know, fleekity fleek. Otherwise, like I said, guys, don't forget to comment below, and obviously, yeah, have fun with it. You know, go crazy, go out, but don't go out because you know. But otherwise, guys, thank you so much for taking your time to actually watch this video and like enjoy it, because I'm so enjoyable. Yes, but yes mamas, yes, like I'm here all day, all night long. I mean, yeah, guys, do the things that need to be done, and we can talk and conversate and start something fresh, something new. But otherwise, yeah, as a makeup artist, I got you, B. I got you. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. And thank you so much for taking your time again to listen to me, because I'm so peppy. All right, from me to you, lots of love, and remember, guys, Genevieve is cool. Bye.